Hey everyone, is YouTube TV buffering running your streaming experience? Don't worry. Here's how to fix it fast and enjoy smooth streaming. First of all, check your internet speed. For 1080p, you need at least 5 Mbps. If it's too slow, restart your router or call your ISP. Next, restart your device. Power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. It clears temporary glitches. Too many devices on Wi-Fi, disconnect unused ones or prioritize your streaming device for better performance. Still buffering? Clear your YouTube TV cache. For Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then YouTube TV and clear cache and data. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, Offload App. Make sure your YouTube TV app is up to date. An outdated app can cause buffering issues. Watching on a browser, disable unnecessary extensions. Some may slow down streaming. If nothing works, contact your internet provider. They can check for network issues. And that's it. Enjoy buffer-free streaming on YouTube TV. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.